Hello everyone, welcome to the latest newsletter edition number 7. This week we have with us Venki. Venki is the common name that we have inside, but it is Venkatesh Subaya. So he's our director of ad operations at NPDI. So Venki brings in over a decade of experience working with a lot of e-commerce brands, be it big or small. He has worked with them all. Venki, welcome to the Fireside Chat.
Thank you so much, Senthil. Thank you so much for this opportunity. Yeah.
Great. So, Venki, obviously, the questions is going to be around ad operations because you are leading it. So, for the audience, we are quite keen to learn from you on what are some of the new things that is happening in the paid marketing world. Especially in the last 1 month or two, there has been a slight silence. Initially there are a lot of this thing about ChatGPT and other generative AI, but in the last 2 months, it has been slightly, the noise has reduced. So what is your perspective, from paid ads? What has changed? Please share with us.
Yeah. So what I am saying is actually, personally, the video contents are actually booming, especially, the short videos, especially 15, 20 seconds video, be it YouTube shorts or Instagram reel, those things are actually booming. Lots of users actually consuming a lot. That is also actually influencing your brand. The touch point, actually maybe the first touch point is your video, then go on Google search, they use your brand name, the search. It actually help overall brand search volume. Plus additionally, the user consumption also, if you compare creative, static versus dynamic, lots of gifs, short videos, influential videos, vlogs, actually everything is booming. Brands also actually moving to video formats in the advertising side. Even the performance marketing, they use video more compared to statics. Central. That I'm saying major push. Even now Instagram booming in India, short YouTube shorts videos, lots of local apps are growing. Actually, I'm seeing this one very positive side, and especially when you take performance marketing side. Lots of smart bidding strategies are, previously, we used to do always manually bid on CPCs, each keywords and everything. Now it's actually completely changed. So now actually your conversion signals are very important, and the conversion actions are very important. So users are moving to automated bidding, now that is actually growing even on Meta side and Google side. So it's all on the very positive side.
Yeah. That's great to know, Venki. In fact, when you mentioned about videos, recently in our LinkedIn page, there was one poll which we conducted where almost 500 plus people casted their votes between Instagram Reels and YouTube Shorts. Surprisingly, Instagram Reels is what has got more votes that people are preferring. So are you seeing the same trend in your advertisements also?
Yes. I'm seeing, and brands also started incorporating in their media plans, especially this festival season. It's starting. Most of the brands actually started their communication strategies, content marketing, how I have to incorporate my product into videos. Everything actually brand started. Especially media is one side. Also, your creative and communication also incorporate with your performance marketing. So then your marketing channels like Google Ads or Facebook, those things actually get better signals, to get your audience, and conversion will improve. Yeah.
Okay, that's great, Venki. So that means the coming festival season is going to be quite hectic then, because a lot of brand videos, will be going on. What's your take on that?
Yeah, of course. We are actually a Meta partner, Google partner. We get lots of insights from team as well, Meta team and Google team. They actually give lots of insights on how we can grow, especially clients with our video formats, communication side, festival themes, especially catalogs. You can incorporate your festival theme based frames. So multiple things actually growing, and we are closely working with our clients also to grow with Google and Meta team with their conversion numbers. Yeah.
Okay, that's good to know. So Venki, is it like gone are the days where we focus too much on keywords, because now the way that I see it is that you're more focused towards brand and other things. So is it like keyword that days are gone, or do you see any transformation has happened in that case?
So it's still there, keywords are very important role, even we tell, Google search is a very bottom of the funnel channel, conversion centric. Even Google search also help your brand awareness, right? So when we, audit most of the accounts, try to audit the small business or, large enterprise business, what we observed is your 90% of the conversions or 80% of the conversions from your brand keywords, right? Remaining 20-30 conversions are from your, especially generic terms. So when you try to run generic campaigns, you have to focus on measuring certain, metrics like your click-through rates and your how, session durations, because these audience are somewhere in that looking for, product. You are already showing your advertisements, right? So try to play with, good communication, good, USPs, product USPs, incorporate that with your landing page. And very important thing is your mobile is actually nowadays, we observe 90% of the traffic from mobile, right? So you have to plan your mobile website optimization if you're running lead generation campaign with mobile responsive, e-commerce, mobile responsive. So audience also looking for very seamless experience. If you are not, using that, proper mobile experience, they go to other website and just go and check out. You are losing customer there. This is actually very important. Keywords still worth play with keywords, right? Yeah.
Awesome, Venki. So now, in the last 1 year, this Performance Max has got a lot of traction as well.
Yes.
So in your experience, what are you seeing? Is it like performing well, or do you still look at the the regular campaigns? Like, how is it working out?
Yeah, so especially Performance Max, it involves your display inventory and the video inventory, YouTube as well. So when you involve display inventory and YouTube inventory, you have to play with your creatives. If you don't have proper creative mechanism in place, you end up getting high bounce rates. Customer don't, because you don't have any opportunity to, a little bit of, you have to play with your creative side and communication side. And very importantly, don't target openly, right? You target with selected signals, right? Give some signals to Google Ads, so that Google understand that, your audience is using this particular website, app, right? So these things are very important. And Performance Max campaign, e-commerce, especially when you are optimizing for purchase oriented goal, purchase conversion oriented value goals. So Performance Max actually plays a very major positive side. When you are running lead generation campaign, you have to play with your creatives and communication so that it gives better quality lead. Yeah.
Okay, Venki, that's great. So now you mentioned of a PMax, it's most of the display inventories that has been used.
Video inventory covers shopping unit and search, everything it covers. But when you run e-commerce campaign, lots of advertisers are seeing very positive output. Conversion numbers are improving, revenue are improving. When you try to run Performance Max campaign for lead generation campaigns, that time you may end up seeing the high, the quality lead may be not that good. But when you try to optimize with creatives and communication, you will get better results there.
That's great, Venki. So as a follow-up to that, right now, Google has recently, I heard that in the recent conference, they've launched auto-generated stuff like that. The reason is that in PMax, you mentioned more creative is required. The user experience need to be there. But now, if everything is auto-generated now, what is your take on that? Have you seen anything like that?
Yes. So see, still you need proper prompts to give. You have to give proper prompts to Google Ads so that it gives you better, insights, take experience from the landing page or copies and everything. So obviously, the manual intervention is that creative person required. If we cannot directly take, offer 50% offer always. Sometimes, brand don't focus on offer. If Google takes the offer communication into what, it's not proper, right? So obviously, it is actually a good start, but my takeaway is, obviously the creative and copywriter required to take, see how we are doing. Yeah.
Yeah, absolutely, Venki. Thanks for sharing the insights, Venki. And I think people who are watching this or hearing this on podcast, if you have like any questions specific to this, we can set up probably a consulting call with Venki as well as some of our other team members as well. We know that the festive season is around the corner. So feel free to let us know if there are any questions, and also upcoming podcast and upcoming. In fact, Venki is also planning few webinars surrounding this. Feel free to share your questions and your feedback in the comments in this newsletter. So it will be very helpful and encouraging for us. Venki, thank you so much for taking your
Thank you
time.
so much, Senthil. Thank you so much. Yeah.
Thanks.
Bye.
Thanks, everybody. Bye bye.